Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So today I'm going to show you how to make your own quick detailer or detail spray. All you need is some simple equipment and products like distilled water, a spray bottle, and a rinseless wash. So we all know that quick detailers or detail sprays are great to do some final touches on your car to remove some light dust and also to help enhance gloss on your vehicle. And I'm going to show you what I believe to be the best of those. It's super easy to make in your own house, so it's very cost effective. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan, welcome back to all my regular viewers, and if it's the first time that you watch one of my videos, well, if you want to learn more about car detailing, so products, equipment, tips, tricks, and techniques, make sure you hit the subscribe button that's found under this video, and that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. So today I'm going to show you how to make your own quick detailer or detail spray. So it's important to have a quick detailer in your detailing arsenal for many reasons, because you can accomplish some tasks like, for example, removing a light layer of dust. So say for example, you're at a car show and there's a light layer of dust that settled on your vehicle, or your car has been sitting in a garage for over a week and you have some light dust that's on the vehicle, you want to safely remove it. So well, you'll spray a quick detailer onto the surface, it'll encapsulate that light dirt and help you lift it off gently and safely using a microfiber towel, because the quick detailers are going to contain some lubricating agents inside them. Quick detailers are also great for final inspections. So you've finished detailing the vehicle and you want to make sure you remove any leftover fingerprints or light dust or any light contaminant that might have fallen onto the vehicle. Well, that's great for that too. Also, if there's some fresh bird poop that's on your vehicle, well, if it's less than an hour old and if it's still fresh, you can go ahead and spray some quick detailer on it and remove it thanks to a microfiber towel. Quick detailers also give your paint extra shine and gloss, and you can also use them as clay lubricants. So when you're using your clay bar on your paint to remove those embedded contaminants that are in the clear coat, you need a lubricating agent, and a quick detailer can serve that function because they contain high quality lubricating agents like the ones we're going to talk about today. By the way, to make it simple for you guys, I included the links to all the products that I talked about today in the description down below for you guys to check them out. So although you can buy commercially available quick detailers, you can make your own high quality ones at home, and it'll be cost effective because you can make bigger batches. So all you'll need is a high quality rinseless wash that contains some high quality lubricating agents. You'll need a spray bottle and some deionized or distilled water, so that's very important. So I used to make some quick detailers with Optimum No Rinse Wash and Shine. Now this is a great product, great lubricating agents inside them. Scott from Dallas Paint Correction and Auto Detailing up in Dallas, Texas, and lately introduced me to Wolfgang Uber Rinseless Wash. Now the beauty about this, well, it comes in a container that allows you to measure the product inside it, but also it has some high quality lubricating agents, and this is essentially the best quick detailer I've ever used. And you're going to see how simple it is, because essentially you're going to add 3 ounces of this product to 1 gallon of water, or 128 ounces of water. And I'll also make sure I include other dilutions in the description under the video. But for a 32 ounce bottle like this, so these are classic sized spray bottles that contain 32 ounces of fluid, where you're going to add 0.75 ounces of the Uber Rinseless Wash. So you can see that this is a super high concentration product and you need very little of it. So it gives you a very high value, very low cost product that does an awesome job. All right, so to do your mix, it's very simple. So in your 32 ounce spray bottle, where you're going to add 0.75 ounces of your Wolfgang Uber Rinseless Wash. It doesn't have to be very scientific. It doesn't matter. You can go all the way up to 1 ounce if you want. That's fine. And then you're going to top it off to the fill line with some distilled water. You're going to mix it up and that's it. You're done. You have your homemade super high quality quick detailer or detail spray. So guys, trust me, you're going to love this detailed spray. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. If so, smash the thumbs up button to show me your support. Also, if you want to continue to learn more about car detailing, so products, equipment, tips, tricks, and techniques, click the subscribe button that's found under this video, and that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. In the meantime, guys, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.